Hello everyone, welcome to Reading 245, the practicum in teaching reading. I am Dandy Pimentes, a mind reading student from Mindanao State University, and this is my Reading Intervention Field Practicum output. The purpose of this Reading Intervention Field Practicum is to support learners struggling with reading. The objective of this RIFP is anchored to my Reading Intervention Field Practicum plan, which is using methods specifically designed for reading assessments to gauge and characterize reading level in relation to their individual reading demands. Let me present to all of you my reading intervention plan. So the focus of this plan is to gauge and characterize students' reading level tailored to the individual reading demands. Activities were properly synthesized and administered for 6 weeks. So in week 1, we used the core reading phonetics or phonics survey. So in week 2 is about the phonological awareness skills test. Week 3, phonological awareness skills test. And in week 4, the San Diego Quick Assessment Tool. Week 5, conduct Fry Oral Reading Test. And week 6 is to conduct post-test using Field Erie. We already conducted the pre-test using the Field Erie and identified 5 learners with lowest reading level. So here's the timeline and resources needed in the intervention plan. These are the reading tools used in the intervention plan. So first is the Field Erie Phonological Awareness Skills Test, the San Diego Quick Assessment Tool, and the Fry Oral Reading Tests. So I will discuss to you each tool. First is the Field Erie. So it is the initiative of the Bureau of Learning Delivery or the Department of Education, which addresses its thrust to make every Filipino child a reader. It is anchored to the flagship program of the department, the Every Child a Reader program, which aims to make every Filipino child a reader and writer at his or her grade level. Field Erie composed of graded passages designed to determine the individual student's performance in oral reading, silent reading, and listening comprehension. So this is the example. This excerpt was tested using the readability test, and this is the result. So the age range is 18 to 20. Reading level is very difficult, and grade level is for grade 11, 12 on college level. So this is the making and scoring the oral reading miscues. So we have here the types of miscues: the mispronunciation, omission, substitution, insertion, repetition, transposition, reversal, and the self-correction. And this is example form of the Field Erie assessment. Next is the PAST or the Phonological Awareness Skills Test. So use the standardized test that assesses various components of phonological awareness like rhyming, syllable segmentation, and phonemic awareness. So this is a sample. So there are 8 categories in this tool to be administered one-on-one. First is the concept of spoken word. Next is the rhyme recognition, rhyme production, syllable blending, syllable segmentation, syllable deletion, phoneme of initial sound, final sound, phoneme blending, phoneme segmentation, phoneme deletion of initial sound, phoneme deletion of the final sound, phoneme deletion of the first sound in the consonant blend, and the phoneme substitution. So here are the guides on how you are going to administer this phonetic awareness skills test tool. Next is the San Diego Quick Assessment Tool. So the purpose of this tool is to assess learners' reading level or measure the recognition of the words out of the context using the word list from pre-premier, premier, grades 11, 1 to 11. And this is the word lists. So begin with a list that is at least 2 or 3 sets below the student's grade level. Have the student read each word aloud on that list. So continue. The student makes 3 or more errors in a list, and you are going to underline the mistake or the error or errors. Reading levels. 1 error is considered independent level. 2 errors is the considered instructional level. 3 errors is frustrated level. So when testing is completed, so you are going to record the highest level in each of these categories in the space provided. Next is the Fry oral reading test. So the purpose of this oral test is to assess the rate and accuracy with which student reads text aloud. So this is example. So direction. So student reads aloud from student copy. So and the teacher marks this copy. If student can't read a word or mispronounces it, just say go on and you count it as an error. So you are going to underline the word. So do not tell the student the missed word. So stop the test when the frustration level is first reached. Paragraph number are grade levels. So here it is. And here are the references in my presentation. So our reading intervention field practicum has ended. So our school will continue the intervention of our non-readers, frustrated readers, through the Project Perla or producing engaged readers through learning activities until the end of school year. So therefore, the intervention is still on progress until the end of the school year. And that's all for today. Once again, I am Danny P. Montes, a mind reading student from Mindanao State University. Thank you.